All right, common question that we get is what type of batteries do they take? So it takes an LR44 or an A76. You can buy a 2-pack, which is how many batteries are needed. I would caution you on buying cheap ones from Amazon, as they are not the same diameter and they will not work. So just make sure you get Energizer LR44s and you'll be good to go. All right, gang, on the back side of the timer, you'll see this little slot right here. Just take a little pocket screwdriver or a knife. You can put it in here like such, and this little guy will pop out, and behold, there are your 2 batteries inside there. Okay guys, I'm going to try and zoom in on this. I don't know if you guys can see in the video, but there is some corrosion between these. I'm going to pop this out. Maybe I can show it to you better. So these batteries should be replaced annually is what we recommend. But if I turn this down now, see all that corrosion on those batteries? So you need to make sure you do these every year, keep these fresh. They're in a stainless steel box that sits outside and gets hot. Most manufacturers of batteries will tell you to keep them in a cool place, like your refrigerator. So anyway, just do these once a year, and what this will do is make sure that your if you ever lose your power, this will keep the time in the clock. Okay, when you go to put your batteries back in, you'll see, if you look down on in the bottom of this, there's a correct way to put these batteries in. So the skinnier side, if that makes sense, is going to go to the top. The dumb side maybe would be a better way of saying that. Give me one sec here and I'll show you guys. Let me grab the battery. So here's the battery that came out of it. So if we look at this, they're going to go in like that, which is going to match that little drawing down inside there. I hope you guys can see that. Okay. There's also this little groove right here. That little groove is going to line up with this little groove, and that's how you know you get them in there right. Okay. All right, guys, that concludes the video on how to replace your batteries. If you watch my other video on programming the timer, once you replace your batteries, you can make sure that you have that time programmed correctly. So anyway, thanks for watching. If we can help you with any of your outdoor lighting needs, give us a call. Numbers there on the trailer. Thanks for watching.